Every 39 seconds, a cyber attack happens somewhere in world. From stolen passwords to massive data breaches, the digital battlefield is more active than ever. But did you know that the world of cybersecurity is divided into 8 powerful domains, each protecting a different part of digital world? Today, on Cyber Hero, we are diving deep into these cybersecurity domains, what they are, how they work, and why mastering these make you a true cyber defender. Welcome back, heroes. I am Ansar, and this is Cyber Hero, your weekly guide to mastering cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and digital defense. If you want to build a career in cyber career or simply understanding how the online world stays secure, hit that subscribe button. Let's begin without wasting of time. So while waiting, let's start with the basics. A cybersecurity domain is a specific area or discipline with a larger field of cybersecurity. Think of it like the base of an armor. Each domain specifies different from network, software, people, or policies. We go my word. Today here we're discussing cybersecurity domains. Together these domains form the foundation of framework like ISC, CISSP, the gold standard security certification. Let's break down each domain one by one with definition as examples how they work. So the first one is security, where focus mode, security and risk management. Don't worry about notes. In description I have provided link where it's my Telegram link where I will upload these notes. So let's start. What is security risk management? This domain focuses on identifying, evaluating, and managing risks. Focuses on what? Identifying. Don't go for spelling. Identifying, evaluating. I'm using your shortcut. Managing risks. Managing risks that could harm an organization. Harm organization assets. What can be these assets? Like database, everything. So security and risk management, what can be the definition? This domain focuses on identifying, evaluating risk management that can harm organization assessment. Let me give an example. Imagine a hospital's patient database. If it is hacked, it could be a lawsuits and loss of trust. Risk management helps us to prevent it. Hospital example, management database. Clear? Then how it works? Let's say the work. It includes setting security policies. Working. Security policies. Security policies, training employees, conducting audits, applying compliance standard like ISO 27001, or we can say GDPR. These are the compliance standards. So this was about security and risk management. Then we will go for another. What is the second one? That's asset security. Asset security. What is this? Asset security is about protecting valuable policies. Protecting valuable data, we can say, actually, not the policy, data, we can say, and resource throughout the life cycle. So from creation to destruction. So if anyone asks you what is the asset security, it's about protecting valuable data, resource through the life cycle. An example. Think of encryption. Have you heard about this encryption? encryption, short form encryption. Then when you store data on a cloud, SS security ensures it's protected both in transit and receipt. So then here some comes subtopics like data collection, data classification. Data classification, what can be it? It can be public, then confidential, then secret. It's it. Data is classified into three main broad categories. First one is public, then is confidential, then secret. What we have to do? We have to do secure this data handling and disposal. So this was about asset security. Now what is another domain? Another domain is here, security architecture. Security architecture. Security architecture. This domain focuses on designing secure system. What is that? Designing secure system from ground up. System and short form. Security. What is this? Can be hardware, software, and networks. Let me give an example. When engineers build a new payment app, phone pay, Paytm, it's so PayPal, they integrate encryption, authentication, and security layers. That security architecture in action. How it is working? It's about using frameworks like the zero trust model, applying cryptography, ensuring relations against account. Here cryptography is using cryptography, short form cryptography, zero trust model. If you don't know about these models, go and research, you will get how they work there. So this was security architecture domain. Then what is another one? Communication, short form communication network security. What is this domain? What it do? How it is working? Say this domain protects data as it moves through networks like emails, web traffic, and internal systems. So what it do actually? It protects data as it moves through whole web. So it protects data through whole web. Example, how it will? I give you an example. Just like VPNs work on a firewall. I hope you are all about these things: firewall, VPNs, detection systems. Then how it's working? Let's see that. It ensures secure network design, segmentation, and monitoring against attacks like DDoS or man-in-the-middle attack. I hope you know these attacks. If you are not aware of these attacks, go check my previous video. I have made a complete detailed video on these attacks. Then this was about communication network security. Now we can say another domain that is called identify and access management. What is it? It ensures that only right people get access to the right resource at the right time. The main keyword is here, right? Person, data, time. It ensures that the right people get access to right resources and the right time. Data here you can use resources. So this is about identifying access management. How it is working, let me tell you. It involves user providing role-based access control, password, etc., biometrics, tokens. Let's give me an example. When you log into using multi-factor authentication, there IAMN is in action. WhatsApp two-step verification, Facebook two-step verification, there it's. So this was identifying Then another one is security assessment and testing. security assessment and testing evaluates how strong your security really is, where security measures or what are the protecting devices, softwares are tested. Example, penetration testing, vulnerability scanners, red teaming exercise fall under this category. Ethical hacking, what is that? Pen testing and red teaming. Red teaming, short form now. So this is about security assessment and testing. Then we will see another domain that's called security operations. Security operations. This domain focuses on day-to-day monitoring and incident response. Day monitoring, we can say. Monitoring, daily monitoring. Day is clear. Daily monitoring. Example I will give you. Security operations centers use tools like SIEM, that is called Security Information and Event Management, to detect and respond to threats. Working, it covers incident management, forensic, SNS and business continuity planning. Then we will say why these domains matter. Mastering these domains does not just make you a better cybersecurity professional, it helps you to see the big picture. You will understand how technical, material, managerial and human factors work together to build a real cyber resilience. I will give an example to make you clear. Just imagine a company can have the best firewalls in the world, but if employees killing on phishing links, the defense crumbles, right? That is why each domain supports the others. How to get started? If you are serious about cybersecurity career, start by exploring certification like CYBERSECURITY Security. We will discuss them in a later next video. So this was about it. I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.